there Libra, this is Sophie you guys. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please click on the subscription box down there below and follow me on Instagram at Sophia Clairvoyant because I'm uploading their thumbnails plus card readings. And if you will check on the description box guys, you will be able to see my daily schedule of my playlist. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready for your reading, Libra? Okay, on this video, we're gonna talk about what would be the outcome between you and your love interest for the entire week. Okay, but before that, let us check first what would be the challenge of your connection. I do believe in prevention better than cure, and knowing the challenge would help you be prepared for it. Okay, let me see first what is the challenge between you and your love interest connection. Okay, the challenge between you guys is that following through on what has been previously planned. Okay, whether about this person and you, or you both of you are having plans already, the huge challenge there is that for both of you to follow it through. Okay, this is really a huge challenge because it is as if the other person is doing another one, you are doing another one, and there's no way you guys are following through on what is the plan. You need to go back to the drawing board and look at it, the blueprint, look at it. Because there's really a huge possibility that both of you are so busy on doing individual stuff that you forgot on what you did talk about and what were your plans. Okay, that's your challenge this week, and let me see what is the outcome of your connection. So this is the outcome of your connection, Libra. First, I can sense it seems like both of you are losing fire or passion towards each other. It's not really something that you're going to be sad or disappointed about, because energy changes and it's not a bad thing. This person is still into you, you're still into that person. It is just, it is not like before, like head over heels, I'm into you, I cannot live without you kind of energy. You're not having that. Both of you are not having that this week. Okay, another thing, the outcome. Okay, do not worry guys, because Libra, I can sense the outcome for this week. No one is being drained. There's no energy drain, there's no draining of energy. And I can sense, although you might be tired last week or a few weeks ago, Libra, this week you and your love interest are not having that kind of toxic vibes, toxic energy. Okay, unlike last week or 2 weeks ago. Good job, because at least it's working. Whatever you guys are doing, it's really working. Although this one is not, it's a so-so kind of outcome. Okay, and lastly, for the outcome, you guys, I can sense whatever differences, issues, problems, or challenges that you guys are facing, okay, for the entire week, it would be resolved. Even though if that challenge or issue has been has been going on for how many weeks or days, it would still be resolved, guys, within the week. So you do not need to fear anything or worry about. Okay, so this is the outcome of your connection between you and your love interest. If you want to know more, guys, and as to what will be the outcome on a daily basis, I can do that for you. At least you are aware, because I know there have been troubles between you and this person, and for sure you want to know what's what. At least you are gonna be prepared, because I do believe in prevention is better than cure. And I do know, Libra, you've been watching a lot of readings lately, and I know how you feel right now. You are so confused, mind boggled. I've been there. Okay, I've been there, and I just want to help you. Do let me know, just email me, maybe you want to book a reading with me. Yeah, you can check out on my description box down there below for details, plus my schedule for the playlist. Okay, thank you so much you guys, and sending you energies of love, 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 and abundance, 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 Libra.